above the world, where air becomes battlefield, there once existed an arena carved. And tonight, the sky chooses a new champion.
Kaivo was born for the air. Not the strongest, but the fastest. Not the loudest, but the sharpest.
The Sky Arena had slept for centuries, waiting for a flyer fast enough to survive it.
Speed verified. Frequency compatible. Gladiator accepted.
I don't fight the sky. I become it.
In the arena of clouds, speed is survival.
Your scream will power my empire.
You can't steal what isn't just sound. It's not sound.
Speed isn't about running faster. It's about making your enemy late.
The sky has a new gladiator, and the arena has awakened the world.
Gladiator, your speed is required beyond the sky.
Then I'll race the